Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions regarding week 4 of Java programming. So before that, please watch the video till the end without skipping. And if you have any doubts regarding these answers, please comment in the comment section so I will be able to give you the solutions for your doubts. So coming to the first question, which of these is a mechanism for naming and visibility control of a class and its content? So the answer is option C, packages. So mark option C as correct answer for first question. And coming to second one, second question, which of the following is false statement about packages in Java? So the answer is option C, packages provide code reusability. So it is the false statement, so it is the correct answer for second question, that is option C. And coming to third question, which of the following is interface of java.awt package? The answer for third question is menu container. So mark option D as correct answer for third question. Coming to fourth question, which of the following statement is or are false? So fourth question answer is option C. Clonable is a class present in java.lang package. So mark option C as correct answer for fourth question. Coming to fifth question, they have given us a piece of code and they are asking the question, what will be the output if the above program is executed? So the fifth question answer is 1. That is option C. So mark option C as correct answer for fifth question. And coming to sixth question, which of the following packages is used to include utility classes like calendar, collections, and date? So sixth question answer is option B, java.util. Option B is the correct answer for sixth question. And coming to seventh question, which of the following statements is or are false? The answer is option C, compare. Compare is a method used in comparable interface. So mark option C as correct answer for seventh question. Coming to eighth question, which of the following is valid declaration of an interface? The eighth question, the answer is option B. In the eighth question, they are given the declarations, different declarations of an interface. So the valid can be option B. So B is the answer. Coming to ninth question, which of the following is false statement about interface in Java? So ninth question answer is option D. A static method is an interface or implicitly private. So mark option D as correct answer for ninth question. Coming to final question, that is 10th question. Which of these access specifiers can be used for an interface? 10th question answer is option A, public. So mark option A as correct answer for 10th question. So friends, these are the answers regarding the 4th week assignment of programming in Java. So I'm going to come up with new video on week 5 assignment. So until then, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Keep supporting us like this. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.